Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking me. So now introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much having me this opportunity. My name is
I'm
Vipul.
also good.
I am from Bhopal. I have completed Bachelor of Arts. I am working job. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies. My strength is I am hard worker. That's all about me.
Okay, very,
So,
very good, very good.
can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? I'm Yogendra Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoni district. I did VCA and my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and learning new things. And my father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife, and my long-term goal is I want to do MCA. And right now, I am not doing any job. I'm at home and learning English. And one more thing I would like to add, I have YouTube channel where I have four 4,500 subscriber plus.
Okay, that's a good and I
Yeah,
am also farmer. I am also farmer and I have a YouTube channel also and I upload I upload some video
very good, very good.
channel and nowadays my channel and my subscriber is
Oh,
increasing day by day and my viewer is increasing day by day.
okay.
So I am giving my best and
Yeah.
I am putting my hard work. That's what.
Yeah. You are very hardworking. I can understand. Actually, you doing YouTubing is not a piece of cake. It is not a easy task. Okay, you have to do hard work, and we should do hard work. Actually, without hard work, we can't achieve anything. Okay.
Yes, we cannot achieve anything without hard work.
Yeah. So I would like to know about your family background. Let's uh, make this video longer so that we can talk about a lot of things.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
there are five member in my family. My father is farmer, my mother is housewife. I am doing work in my farm, and nowadays wheat is cutting. Okay,
Okay.
and
So I would like to add one thing here so that we can both get benefited. And is that if you want to better quality videos, so please give me your numbers and I will tell you some ideas so that our video will be very better, and so that viewers can understand and learn and get inspired.
okay.
Okay.
I will
So
send you.
after
After
when we end the conversation, then you can drop your uh, number in message. Okay.
okay, of course. I will text you after
Yeah,
after the.
yeah. So now I would like to ask, don't worry, don't hesitate. Okay, if you are making mistake, don't worry, just accept it that you are speaking a language that is our second language. Okay,
Yes.
so don't afraid. Actually, I have been learning this language, since 2021, and I have
Okay.
got a lot of things. That first one thing is stop afraiding, and second, keep practicing.
Okay.
Yeah, and being consistent. Okay, and I also afraid to speak in English when we are around people. So but I speak English every day.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I would like to ask you, h- uh, how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language for 1 year.
1 year. Okay. Okay. So what do you do for your, learning this language every day? What do you do?
Okay. Uh, Whenever I have a time, I read
Okay.
story.
First do one thing. When I ask you question, just stop 1 second and think properly, then give answer.
Okay. Mm,
Yeah.
I read book and I speak. I speak stranger
Very good.
puns and
Very
I I watch videos. Okay, and
okay.
I listen song. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
this this activity I am
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
daily.
very good, very. Yeah, you are at the right track. You will be definitely speaking English properly when you spend, 2 months consistently without interrupting one day, without escaping 1 day or 2 day. So definitely you will be best version of yourself.
Yes, yes, you are saying right.
Yeah. So brother, how many books have you read so far? Actually, you said you read book.
Yes, I have a I have 10th class English book. Okay,
Okay.
and there are
Yeah, yeah, very good. Don't worry,
lot
don't worry. Think
available.
about it. Okay.
Yes, yes, there are a lot of lessons available. So if I have a time,
Okay.
I read that lesson.
Actually, I have read so many books. I can show you. First, this book, and second, you can see this book,
Okay,
and third, this book. I have a dream, and
okay,
I bought this book when I had no money. I stole money from my father pockets, and I bought this book. Okay. Actually, I love to speak English,
yes,
and now this book, Habit of Winning, and now you can see this book, and I can show you so many books, and this book. Okay,
yes,
and Psychology of Money, this book, and this is very inspiring book, Wings of Fire. Okay, this book, APJ Abdul Kalam.
okay,
Yeah, it especially talks about biography about our president of India, 11th president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, how he started his life from village to president. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, and then this book, Sudhamurti, 3000 Stitches, and also Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay.
Read and
Yeah,
forward. Okay.
yeah. So now, what do you want to ask from me? Yeah, you are free, and then after that we will translate some Hindi to English. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can ask anything from me to me.
No, no, no.
No,
I
don't afraid. You can ask anything. Don't afraid. Don't afraid. Okay. Just think properly.
can I
Close
say
your eye and
can I say Hindi?
yeah, yeah. You can say in Hindi also.
No, I don't want to say Hindi
Okay,
because
you don't want to speak in Hindi, I know, but you can't. Actually, it is our second language. English is our second language. So it is uh, everyone has this problem who want to speak English. So actually,
listen,
mix the
I
language Hindi and English.
I have a question.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Ask.
So which purpose are you learning English?
Actually, I have done BCA, so
Okay.
I want to do job as a true caller, or
Okay.
also
So
I want to
so
teach this language.
want a multinational company.
Yeah, I want to do a job in multinational companies. So it is a barrier in my career. So that's why I'm learning this language. And
Okay.
yeah,
So if you want to do multinational job, okay, first of all you should prepare interview. How to give
okay.
interview.
First,
After
we are doing interview. Okay, when we do this, so what will happen? We will build confidence. Okay, whenever we go. Actually, also I am running YouTube channel, as you know. So uh, maybe for God wish, I will not have to go anywhere to do a job. So that and yeah, I will be here at my home and learning English and teaching English and earn money.
okay, so you are learning and teaching English.
Yeah, yeah. I also try to teach English, but sometimes I first of my one of my problem is that I don't know how to edit videos. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, so I will learn it when I have money. So I will purchase, you know, yeah, course, and then I will upload videos on YouTube.
okay. So you wanted to become a YouTuber and you wanted to upload English video.
Yeah, I have been uploading this video. Actually, right now I have 445 plus
Okay,
4500 plus subscriber.
okay, that's a great.
Yeah.
So so do you have any topic we can discuss?
Yeah, yeah, I have lot of topics. First of all, I would like to know about your daily routine. What do you do from morning to evening? Okay, don't worry. If
Okay,
you, yeah, just tell me in 5 or 10 sentences, not much.
of course. Thank you so much uh,
Yeah,
having me this opportunity. First of
okay,
all, I I wake up early in the morning. After
okay,
that, I uh, I brush my teeth and take bath. After that,
okay,
I take tea. Then I read
okay,
newspaper. Then
okay, very good.
then I take my mobile and
Okay,
I watch English video.
okay,
I watch English video.
okay,
After that, watch English news video, English news video. After
okay.
that, after
Yeah,
that, uh,
okay, that's enough. That's enough.
after
That's
I
enough.
take
So, in which medium did you do your 12th or 10th class? In Hindi medium or English?
I have passed to 10th, 12th Hindi medium.
Okay, Hindi medium. Okay, very good. So when did you realize that you should learn English and it is very important in life? So when do you realize?
Yes, I real I realize 2000 2020. I realize this language is very important. It is global language. I was I was go for interview. Okay, that time That time I don't know English. So that time I could not crack that interview. So I realized and I I thought
Okay,
I
okay,
have to I have to learn this language.
yeah. Okay, so now you are finished.
Okay.
So do you want to end the conversation or you want to talk furthermore?
Okay, we can make after 10 minutes and
No, no.
if
Now tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow,
what
tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Yeah, yeah. At this time, tomorrow, every day. Okay, 15
Okay,
minutes.
every day we can.
Yeah, yeah, we can interact every day 15, at least 15 minutes every day.
Yes,
And
yes.
in the afternoon, in the afternoon,
Every
in the
will
afternoon.
make.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Have a nice day. Keep
So much
learning.
to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Be stubborn
Okay,
and
okay. Keep learning.
yeah, be consistent if you want to learn English. Thank you so much.
Okay.